Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete your Snapchat story. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how you can do it. So basically deleting a Snapchat story is really important to know how you can do it, just because if you posted something by accident, or posted or you wanted to post it on a private story and you posted on a public story by accident. So I'm going to show you how you can delete it. It's pretty easy. And not that hard. So first of all, you're going to launch up a Snapchat. Now from Snapchat, okay, you're going to navigate the top left corner, and there you're going to see all the stories that you have. Basically, if you click on those three dots, you can actually add a story, auto save to your memories, save your story, or story settings. Basically, all the story settings where you can make who can see the stories or who cannot. But anyways, how you can delete a story. This is a story I posted earlier. I'm going to click on it so I can access it. Actually, you can see who viewed my story over here. Now, if you want to delete your story, you're going to click on the three buttons at the top, then delete, and then after that, delete. As you can see, I deleted this story, and there is no more stories that appear on my that are actually going to appear. If I go back, my Bitmoji doesn't have that story circle. So yeah, guys, this is basically how you can delete your Snapchat story. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.